Alright, friends, today we're unboxing the Instant Pot by Nova Plus. #1 selling brand, according to this. Okay, so in here, what we're gonna have is a soup spoon, rice paddle, measuring cup, outer pot, cooker base, cooker handle, cooker panel, cooker inner pot, steam release handles, all the nomenclature there for that. Okay, welcome to the world of Instant Pot cooking. Visit our website to get started, all that good stuff. Okay, so in here, looks like we have some instructions. Oats, barley, congee, millet, all that good stuff. Okay, some heavy duty packaging here. That's pretty good size there. Alright. So we have a plug. Just your standard 3-pronger, looks like. Okay. Now, here's the main deal here. Probably weighs about 15 pounds. Pretty heavy, pretty sturdy there, seems like. Alright, so on the bottom, it's got nice little non-slippery pads there. Around 4 of them on the bottom. Okay, so turn that and open it up. Warning, hot steam from steam release valve can cause burns. Don't put your face next to steam burns. Okay, so this is got a little seal there. It's basically, this Instant Pot is a crock pot, I believe. Alright, in here we have little measuring cup, looks like a steam condensation catcher maybe. And what else is in here? So the couple of spoons. What were those anyways? I believe it tells us. Okay. Yeah, so soup spoon, rice paddle. It's a soup spoon right there, rice paddle. Okay, some instructions. Do not place hand and face and pressure cooking programs. Do not fill the pot more than 2/3 full of total dry and wet ingredients. I guess if you put too much stuff in here, it could probably maybe blow up pretty good. Alright, so this is a little kind of a rack so you can lower your pot down there, and I believe cooking stuff. Alright, we have another pot here. Looks like a nice stainless steel, max 2/3. Pot there. Okay, and in here, warning. Make sure the heating element is free from grease and debris. Do not leave food on the heating element. Use only genuine Instant Pot parts. So that's in there. That's a nice little, I believe this is the heating element. And that is triggered. Looks like that's a safety there, that button there when you put your pan in. Okay, so this is the I can even see. Can we even see here? Because it's so dark, I'm in the sunshine here. That's great. The world's worst unboxing video ever. The lighting, when the lighting sabotages your unboxing video. Here is the control panel for this device. So you got soup, broth, steamed meats, meat, stew, bean, chili, poultry, slow cook, saute. All these nice little settings here. Let's go plug this in and see. Well, actually, this is just the unboxing. I'm not really ready to cook anything yet. That's what you get in the Instant Pot. This is by Nova Plus. InstantPot.com. Should have a bunch of recipes and stuff like that. Oh my. My goodness. Appears to be durable though. Chopped. Okay, so well constructed. That's a bonus. It does appear to be well constructed. So thanks for watching this. Just a pretty interesting unboxing here. As always, we'll see you next time. Everyone have a great day out there and take care.